Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Scotiabank to RBC Bank. Now the first thing I want you to do is make sure you're signed in and then come here, tap on transfers, and then I want you to choose send money internationally. Okay, so this one between accounts, it's only for your own Scotiabank account. I want you to use send money internationally, and then from here just tap on bank deposit. Okay, and then what I want you to do is just agree to the terms, tap here on continue, and then just select to whichever contact. If you have never added a contact before, tap here and add contact and add it. Okay. And then what I want you to do is enter the transfer amount. So enter who you're sending it to, the first name, last name, you should see the country it's being sent to. If you don't have it already, tap on add contact, choose from what account you're sending it from, the purpose, and then enter how much you're sending. Okay, in Canadian dollars, and you'll see how much they'll receive in US dollars or whatever currency you've picked, and you'll see the exchange rates as well. So go ahead and fill that in, and then what I want you to do is just scroll down here and tap on continue. Okay, and then just review all your details, and once you're happy with it, go ahead and tap here on confirm, and you should basically get a confirmation such as this that your money has been sent with a reference number. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.